Hi guys, I am about to wash my hair. I just took braids out. I had the knotless box braids for about a month. I just took them out, so I'm about to wash my hair and deep condition it and straighten it with a new curling iron or flat iron that I got. I'm going to show you guys here. So I'm super excited. I cannot wait to love on these curls and to straighten my hair. I haven't straightened in a while, and I'm sure I need my ends trimmed. So this is before I wash, and I will show you guys the after. And yeah, let's jump. Okay, so first things first, I like to section my hair off when it is like super tangled up, going from like a completely curly state where it was not detangled. Then I would do more sections, but because I kind of finger detangled very well as I was taking my braids out, I'm only gonna wash it in 2 sections, and that'll allow me to be done like super quick. All right, y'all, I'm about to start blow drying my hair. I just finished washing it. I had it braided up for a little while, so it's a little drier. It's not drenched. I'm gonna be using the Miel organic leave-in. It's not, yeah, this is it right here. Boom. And it also serves as a heat protectant, but I'm gonna use the Tresemme Naturals heat protectant too. So I'm just gonna spray this all in and do this side.